Hello, my little kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, children, now it's time to practice activity sheets in our book 4. Previously, also, we have done few activities. Now, this time also, we will do 2 more activities. How many? 2 more on page number 123 and 125. So, first, please open page number 125. So, this is page number 125, children. See what we have to do here. Drawing and coloring. Color orange. Draw a sun and color it orange. So here on this page we have to draw one sun and we have to color it orange. So everyone is ready to do? Okay, so first mention the date over here 04/11/2020. So for drawing sun you need one circle shape object. What you need? One circle shape object. So see, I have taken this bangle. You can take any other thing. Okay. Everyone's mother is having this type of bangle now. So you can take your mother's bangle for drawing circle shape. So let's draw the shape circle. Put it like this and now draw it. See, like this. The circle shape is drawn over here. Now, what we need to draw? Sun has its rays. Yes, so we need to draw the rays. So, let's draw the rays now. Like this. Slanting type lines you will draw. Upward. Like this. Okay, see how I am drawing. Few you can draw the little one and few you can draw the big one. Okay, so in this way you will draw the rays. Now let's make the eyes of the sun. Like this, 2 small circles. Now let's make the face smiley. Like this. So here the drawing of our sun is complete. Now what we have to do? We have to color it orange. Okay. So wait. See children, this is which color? This color is orange. And now we will do coloring in our sun. Okay. So let's start. From here first we will do the outline. Like this. Color it very nicely. Your color does not go outside. First color the boundary of the sun. Like this. Okay. Move your color crayon in one direction only. Okay, so that it looks nice. If you move your color here and there, first from here and then secondly from here, then it will show some lines. It will not look beautiful. Color it from one end only. Okay. Like this. Now complete the entire part. See, here our coloring finished. Now color the white space which is left out. No white space should be left out. Okay. Fill it properly like this. Okay. So here it is finished. Now color these rays orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In straight way. Okay, so here our coloring is also finished and your sun is smiling. See, now let's make its eyes with black crayon. Like this. Okay. So here our coloring is finished. Everyone color it very nicely. So now come to page number 123. See here children, we have one more activity to do. Now let's read what we have to do here. Sponge dabbing, color orange. Dip a sponge in orange watercolor and dab it on the image to make a flower. Color the stem using a green crayon. So what we have to do over here? Firstly, you will mention your name here, and here you will mention the date 04/11/2020. You will dip a sponge. You know what is a sponge? Let me show you. See children, this is a sponge, a foam type okay. You have to take orange watercolor and sponge. You will take orange color in one dish and you will apply water. Then what you need to do? You will dip this foam or sponge in orange watercolor and you have to dab it over here. So now let's refer to the snapshots which is given at the back side of this page. See here, in one plate we have taken the sponge, and in secondly we have taken the orange color watercolor. Now here we have dipped the sponge in orange watercolor and we have dabbed it in the flower, and here we have colored the green crayon in the stem part, and here our activity is finished. So let's start. Are you all ready? Okay. See, now I have dipped my sponge in this orange watercolor and I will dab it over here like this. Dab it means you have to impression or something like this. Dab it properly so that the color does not go outside the flower. Okay. See here our dabbing is finished. Now we will take this green color crayon and we'll color the stem green like this. Through this end also. Color it properly so that it looks very nice. Okay. Like this. And here our activity is finished. Hope you like it. So I request to all the parents, please let your ward do this activity on its own. Do not provide any type of assistance. They are smart enough, they can do on its own. So according to the activity, I will give you over stars here. 1, 2, 3. If you want more stars, you have to do it more beautifully. Okay? So that's all about your work. Thank you, children.